Hey guys, welcome to the Hua channel today. Two-time force-on force national champion Army Bass Angler pro staff member Sean Dalba here. I want to talk to you about Lew's reels, guys. Hey, I love them. Been using them my whole life. I believe in the product. Like I said, it's what I learned how to throw on a bait caster all those years ago when the company originally founded out of Foley, Alabama. That's all me and my dad used. But one of the cool things the last couple of years is we've got these new round Winn grip knobs that come on the SLP reels. They really come accustomed to them. My favorite to throw a crankbait on is a BB1. It doesn't come with that round Winn grip knob. So I got a couple brand new BB1s in. Right, here's one of them, here's the other one. I'm gonna show you how to take this knob and attach the Winn grip round knob from Lew's to it. All you're gonna need is a small drill bit and a screwdriver. Cool. Just like that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that tip. Hey, if you need a Lew's product, go to Lew's.com, check them out, get a rod, reel, any accessories, the Winn grip knobs, guys. Hey, be sure to subscribe to the Hua channel there for more great content like this. Hey, and if you think you got what it takes to become a member of Army Bass Anglers, go to the link there in the description and apply. Hua.